There's a stranger in my house. It took a while to figure out. There's no way you could be who you say you are. You gotta be someone else. 'Cause he wouldn't touch me like that. And he wouldn't treat me like you do. He would adore me, he wouldn't ignore me. So I am convinced there's a stranger in my house.